If you are using computer and you want to make the screen the full screen in your browser, then this video we discussed what is the shortcut used for full screen. So making your screen full, you must go to your computer keyboard, and there you can see that and there is an F11 key. So if you press this F11 key, if you are in a browser, and if you press this F11 key, then you can make your screen full. Okay, suppose I am going to take a Microsoft Edge browser, and here if I want to go to the full screen, I am going to press this F11 key, and now you can see that we can go to the full screen here. And if you want to change back to the normal size, you must once again press this F11 key, then you can see that it comes back to the normal section. Another method is press and hold this key. For more videos like this, you can subscribe Engineer Sir Online. Thank you.